How you doing, guys? I hope you're well. Today I'm going to be doing a quesadilla, and this recipe is a bit different. Well, is it different? No, I don't think it's different. Is it? I don't think it's different. Is it different? Whatever. Anyway, what I'm going to be doing is some homemade barbecue sauce with some juicy chicken thighs, and I'm not going to cook the chicken thighs. Pull it apart, shred it, and put it in with the sauce. I'm going to do it all nice and separate so you can taste the juiciness, flavorness. So I'm going to be doing separate flavors so you can actually taste the chicken thigh, the juiciness of it, the richness of it with the sauce. So it's going to be separate, not just pulled apart, throw in the sauce, stir it and serve it. It's going to be different, and you can really taste that chicken. And the second case, I've got rum with the tummy. The second quesadilla I tried with avocado, and that was absolutely delicious. Went very well with the cheddar cheese, and I love cheddar cheese with quesadillas. It's a good melty cheese, and it's very flavorful. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click that bell, and you'll be doing me a favor. So yeah, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Thanks, guys. For the barbecue sauce, dice onion and garlic. Add olive oil to a pan, followed by onions and garlic. Now sweat for 5 minutes or until soft. Next, add smoked paprika and allspice. I love allspice in barbecue sauces. It packs a punch with lots of flavour. Now cook out 1 to 2 minutes. Add vinegar, bring to a boil, then simmer. Add brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, molasses, ketchup, hot sauce, which is optional, and water. Stir well, bring to a boil, and reduce for 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer to a bowl, cover, and place in the fridge. For my quesadilla, I'll be using bone-in chicken thighs. They are juicy, packed full of flavour, and pretty hard to overcook compared to breast meat. Add olive oil to a hot pan, followed by the chicken. Brown on one side and turn over. Now place in the oven and cook. When the chicken is cooked, rest. For my quesadillas, I'm using cheddar cheese, chicken thighs, barbecue sauce, and cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you can use fresh parsley. The second quesadilla, I tried some avocado, and it was delicious. Transfer to a non-stick pan and cook until cheese is melted and both sides are golden brown. I cooked mine on a medium heat. So there you have it. Cheesy, messy, and delicious. Give it a go. Thanks, guys.